Hello guys, so in this video I have really exciting news. I'm going to LA. Now before I get into the video, I want to talk about a story that kind of happened. So I want to say I booked these tickets in May of 2021 or late April, I can't remember exactly, but what I do remember is that a couple weeks before that, or even a couple days before that, I was talking to my friend and I was like, I want to go to LA. And then I was thinking about it and I was like, LA is my dream trip. And then I was thinking about it some more and I was like, you know what, I can go to LA. We're gonna manifest this. And literally a couple days or a week later, we booked the trip to LA. So as you guys can see, you can literally do anything you set your mind to. Of course, it takes hard work. You can't just believe it. You have to put the action in. But basically what I wanted to say is you can do anything you set your mind to. Now that that has been said, I'm going to LA. It's Monday. I'm leaving Friday at 6 a.m. and I am ecstatic. I'm so excited, but I have so much to do. Now I'm kind of freaking out because we didn't plan anything, which probably isn't a good idea when you're going to a city for like 5 days, but it's okay. We're going to figure it out. Alrighty, it is 4 days later now, and let me just explain a little bit of what happened. So I was so excited to film this video, and then I got really overwhelmed with school, and I got an eye infection, and my eye literally was huge. So it still looks a little puffy. I don't know if you guys can see, but basically I had to go to the doctor. I had to get that fixed, and now we're here. Do we have anything planned for the trip? No. The only thing we did do is rent a car, so at least we're a little ahead of the game. Not really, slightly freaking out, but also freaking out because I'm so excited because we leave literally at 2 a.m. tomorrow. So don't worry, there will be many LA vlogs, but what I was going to say is it's finally here. So we have to do so much stuff today. We have to pack, we have to go to the store and buy some food and also some like toiletries and stuff like that. I have to get my nails done still. I have to go to the gym if I have time, and then I have to get ready for my friend to come over because our car is coming at 2 a.m. So exciting, but also very stressful because it is currently 8 o'clock on October 7th and we leave tomorrow. So with all that being said, I'm going to start packing. I have no idea what I should bring. We're going for 4 nights and 5 days, so I have to like kind of work through everything and kind of decide what I should bring. So let's just get into this and see what I should bring. I have my suitcase that I'm going to bring. I don't know where it's from, but I'm going to bring this. I brought this to school on Monday and I have like 3 pairs of clothes in there that I wanted to bring from school. Then I also did my wash from school, so I have all my laundry on my bed that's clean, that thankfully my mom helped me fold. And I'm just going to sort through it and see like possible outfits that I might want to bring. So far I literally have 3 things in here. I have these pairs of jeans. I have a pair of leggings just because I literally love these leggings. They're from Shein and they're like my favorite leggings ever. Then I have a bodysuit. I thought it would be a good idea to bring this just in case I wanted to wear a skirt and or jeans and like tuck this in. And then I also have this like really fun going out top. It kind of like ties in the front. It's from White Fox. And then the last thing I have that was from school is just this really pretty shirt from Shein. It looks like this. And I don't know, it just gave me LA vibes. So that's what I brought. Then I have my Apple Watch charger because I didn't want to forget that. And I also have a belt that I wanted to bring. But other than that, I literally have to figure out what I should bring because I have nothing. I don't know if I should lay everything out and then like kind of decide like that, like by outfit and by day. That's probably what I'll do. So the first thing I'm going to do is look in my closet and see what I have and kind of sort through everything. And then I also brought my makeup bag home from school as well. So I'm going to put this in here for now and then just look through my closet and see what I should bring. So I have everything kind of like sectioned out. So I have my sweatshirts, then I have my leggings, I have my dresses, and then my skirts I'm bringing. Then I have all my crop tops and my bodysuit. Then I have my jean jacket, my belt, and my 3 pairs of jeans. I might bring those sneakers, I'm not sure yet. Then over here, I have my pajama shirts, my pajama pants, and another sweatshirt. So now I just have to consolidate this and put it all in my suitcase and then move on to my actual carry-on.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Okay, just finished packing my luggage, and now I'm going to pack my backpack right here. This is going to be like the carry-on that I bring on the plane. So I'm just going to go through all this, take my school stuff out, and I'm just going to put my MacBook and like makeup bag and charger and stuff like that in here.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on.
I have my backpack all set now on the floor, and I have my suitcase done. I do have to clean up my room now and put all this away, but as for right now, that's pretty much it. I do have to get my nails done still, but that's at 10:30. So I will update you guys once it gets closer because my camera is running out of battery. I finished packing my bags and everything like that. Like I told you guys, it is now almost 9 o'clock, and I'm about to go to Walgreens to get my toiletries and also to the mall. The mall opens at 11, so I'm actually probably going to have to do that after I get my nails done at 10:30. But my whole issue was, like I told you guys before, I have an eye infection, so I need all new eye makeup so that the eye infection doesn't transfer to this eye or even go back to this eye once it's healed. So I have to get all new eye makeup, so I'm going to go to like Ulta or Sephora. Probably Sephora, no, actually probably Ulta because it's outside of the mall and I'd rather not go in the mall right now. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to Walgreens first and take you guys along with. I just need to get like toiletries such as like soap. I need to get shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, stuff like that I can bring that's travel size, because you guys know how the airplanes are with like sizing and everything. So I'm going to go get that, and then we'll take it from there, but I'll probably either go to Starbucks or go to my nail appointment depending on what time it is. I just got out of Walgreens and I'm going to quickly show you guys what I got just because I know some of you are curious. So the first thing that I got was actually the mascara I use. I love this mascara so much. It's the Last Sensational mascara. I saw it on TikTok and it works amazing. I don't have to get that at Ulta now, so that's good. And then I just got a lot of travel size stuff. So I got some mousse because I like curling my hair with it. I also decided to get these little Neutrogena makeup remover wipes in the single packages just because it's easier like to travel with. Then I got a toothbrush holder because I don't have one. I got a mini deodorant. It's so cute. And then I got like some shampoo and conditioner. I got the Tresemme one. Usually I use Pantene, but they didn't have any, so I just got what they had. Then I got a little mini brush just because I don't like taking my bigger things just because it takes up too much space in the suitcase and in the carry-on. Then I have some toothpaste, of course, and some mouthwash. I have some Lysol wipes. I got these just in case. I don't know, I like to wipe things down, of course, especially on the plane. I got some Q-tips, and then I also got some disposable masks. So I know in New Jersey you don't have to wear these if you're vaccinated, but I don't know what the rules are in LA, so I just wanted to get these just in case. And then the last thing I got was just something to put all my toiletries in, so I got this little bag right here. But with all that being said, that's everything I got. It is 9:05. The nail salon opens at 9:30. I don't know what I should do because it's literally right there, like in the same parking lot. So I might wait it out and go in and see if they could just take me early and go then, but if they can't, then I'll go home or go to a different makeup store that might be open, but I have to check, so I'll keep you guys posted. So after Walgreens, I came home and I did some homework, and now it's 10:30 and it's time to go to the nail salon. This is what my nails look like now, and I'll show you an after when I'm done. I just got my nails done. They look really nice. I just did a periwinkle blue color because, I don't know, I felt like it was like my last time before actual fall starts and like going into the winter and everything like that, that I could get a bright color. Since I am going to LA, so I decided to just do a periwinkle. I think they look so cute. But right now I'm going to actually go get lunch with one of my good friends, and then I'm going to go to Sephora after, so I will catch you guys then. Alrighty guys, so I actually just got lunch with my friend. It was a really nice time. We went to Hoboken Hoboken, and right now I'm going to go to Ulta to get the makeup that I need, so I thought I would take you guys along with me. And then after that, I'm pretty much done with packing. I just have to do like last minute stuff like putting all my wires and electronics in my carry-on, and you know, just putting my last minute stuff in, like my toothbrush, stuff like that. Me and Ariella also have to plan out what we're going to do in LA, but we'll do that tonight. So with all that being said, my next video will be an LA vlog, so stay tuned for that. But right now, let's go to Ulta. I just got out of Ulta, and of course I'm going to do a little haul. So the first thing that I had to get was just new beauty blenders, because when I do my eyes, I put makeup and like foundation on my eyes as a base, and I use my beauty blender on my eyes, so that's why I needed to get a new one. And then I also got a new little eyeshadow brush, and then I just got a teaser palette that they had that looks like this, because I didn't want to spend the $50 on the original Tarte one, or $30, I don't remember how much it is, but I know it's more expensive than $10. And then I just got my favorite Tarte eyeliner ever, this one right here, and that's basically it. I didn't get the mascara because I already got it at Walgreens, so we are all set on makeup. But with all that being said, that's about it for this video. If you guys liked it, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the family, be on the lookout for an LA vlog. I'm so excited to film that for you guys. And with all that being said, leave me a comment down below letting me know where your dream vacation is, and I'll see you guys in my next video sometime really soon. Bye guys.